Walker Stalkers, and welcome back to the zoo. Today we're going to find out what's that sound. Can you help me? All right, we're going to figure out what animal could be making all of these crazy sounds. Let's use our ears to listen. All right, let's listen to our first sound. What could that be? If you guessed a lion, you were right. Good job, friends. That's a lion. All right, let's listen again. Get your ears ready. That's a penguin. I bet you've never heard that sound before. That's our cute little penguin. They make lots and lots of noises. Good job. What's next? Did you know that that's a zebra? That's a special sound that a zebra makes. Look how pretty our zebra is with all its stripes. All right, let's see what's next. Wow. What could that be? Do you see it coming through the grass? Oh, that's right, it's our fierce tiger. That's an awesome sound. Good guessing. What could be next? Oh, wow. It's our hungry hippo making all those crazy sounds. All right, we have one more friend at the zoo. Let's listen closely. If you guess an elephant, you were right. It's making that sound with its long trunk. Good guessing today, friends. I'm glad you had fun finding all of our friends at the zoo. Bye.